ayijije okugamba ebi yabirayo bembire ekiganiro ky'okutongoza ihuriro kurwanisa oburu bw'enguzi omu ihanga ekibira omu town council ya Agacencwire omu district ya Mitooma hayorekire sente z'Uganda erikuferwa buri mwaka ahabwa abakuzi shomankura.
Hati wana nda kuchetegereza nyenda kumanyisa ngo mweko kuhire kwe sente twena hamwe tukarunda mishoro obutabarwa 28. The entire domestic revenue was 28 trillion. There are 28 trillion abashumankazi babuzabuza obutabarwa 10 babutwara.
Here we don't have enough manpower. Even your office doesn't have manpower. So I think that is partly why some of the cases are delayed to be investigated. There are those which need technical people, engineers.
Kariisho-riisho wa Uganda bandize kuvuganaho n'abebembezi aba district egi bamushaba okucondoza oburu bw'enguzi omu ihanga okutandikira omu bari kugaba emirimo ya gavumenti ahiguru hamwe n'okucendeza ha mishoro.
If you are not connected, you are nobody. Whether you have the best papers, but you don't have God somewhere to say this is my son or this is my daughter, you have no pass. Where are we heading to?
Kanga senti za Gavumenti nga zituuse mu offices zaffe. Mwanchenga, we have radio programs. Let us go there with our release. We tell the public about the release of our money. It is public money, we shouldn't keep it to ourselves.
Ashabira abanya-Uganda kuzoora amisho ha sente za gavumenti omu kurwanisa oburu bw'enguzi. Gasha kwa Ben Muhozi.